Bunkers. That makes sense. No wonder they didn't go back. Dude's got a mansion under his slide from his mansion tunnel. Welcome to Earth, everyone. So yeah, this is just going to be a quick show of how I am able to use Google Earth, especially now Gemini has integrated into Google Earth Pro, and I've got Google Earth Pro with my Google Pro account for AI and Gemini, and that allows me to ask it to source for me information off the actual map. So if you look on the left side of the screen right here, you'll see this whole list of locations. Those were made up by Gemini by asking it to just look for certain signs of abandonment, derelict properties, forgotten properties, and this is going to be a walkthrough now of my whole process. Well, one of my many processes that I use to find locations to go scout out. So these first few, you'll see I'm flipping kind of fast. I didn't really find anything, but then I get to this one. I'm like, okay, got something to look at, man. Always go back and use my historical data, see how far back it is since how things have progressed over the years, over time, whether or not people have been there on a regular basis long enough to catch the car there, or a group of people there, things like that. This one looks like it's been definitely sitting for quite a while. I bet there's a big ass alligator living in that. What is this? So here on this one, I mean, y'all can obviously see what I'm looking at, I'd imagine. There's no cars there. Going through the historical imagery, trying to see when the last time people had actually been present, going back pretty good ways. Also, the parking lot looked real tore up. I'm looking for roof damage and stuff like that. Didn't see any of that, but all right, we get back to 2020. Got a couple of cars, and then from there on, it just kind of got left alone. That's what you call a COVID killer, man. Property just everybody went to the house, never came back. After I look at the historical, I always go over to the 3D imagery if I can get a good 3D image. This one, it looks like it's actually bleeding together, but you see there's cars there in the parking lot on that. I don't think they're actually there, but I don't know. That enough for me on this type of search. I'm done with it, man. We'll just skip on to the next one. That's weird. That's a lot of cars there for a place that looks that bad off. Holy fuckamoly. Look at that place. Damn, where's this? Is that an airport? That's why. Actually, that's at a closed down airport. That's tight. That's what that is. They're storing cars that are for sale. Look, I bet there's X's somewhere, if I'm right. I might be wrong, but ain't nobody landing on that one, on this shit, I don't think. See, all these are the same. I'm surprised I don't have a couple of X's on it. Bunkers. Bunkers. But yeah, I wouldn't go here and do that. Anything. Yeah, go around and find out is what they said. Come around and find out. Look, we ain't barely here, but we still here. Look at that. Don't with them motherfuckers. They ain't gonna play. That's cool though. Bunkers. I love bunkers. This looks interesting. The Hartford. That's pretty crazy right here, dude. Whatever this, I guess it used to be a hospital or something. This part's all getting used. 2018, see that? 2018. Oh, damn. March of 2018, they got cars there. Cars there. Cars there, cars there, everything, cars everywhere. November. Not a car one. Not a car one. Dun, 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 do the hustle. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, sorry, not sorry for the beautiful singing there. I get excited sometimes, and that is just me in my live motion, you know, doing my thing, having a good time, goofing off. So what's the craziest thing you found on Google Earth, or craziest place you've ever been exploring? Let me know in the comments, man. I like to talk about it. If you got any questions about it, let me know. And hell, while you're at it, might as well go ahead and hit that little thumbs up. You know, every little click over there, man, it ain't hard work. Just hit that thing for you, boy. Every little one helps me. And hey, let me know what type of stuff y'all want to watch. Alright, on to the next one. Nope, not gonna worry about that. Not gonna worry about that. Not gonna worry about that. See if I can find a third cool looking one for y'all real quick on this thing. What is that? Oh shit, what is that? I'm all the way in the back. Whoa. That thing's moved a lot. Where the hell is this at? Yeah, this is probably an around to find out. Look at this place though. We must be in fucking California. Gotta be. Gotta be in California. You know, I ain't ever see a car there one damn time. The fuck is this? This dude got a slide coming down? Dude's got a mansion under his slide from his mansion tunnel? No, man. No, man. That means all these boats is these people. That guy's. This guy. Hey, used to be something. Hey, how you doing? Hey, where you from? You sexy thing. I believe in miracles. Dude, that used to be something. Or it was gonna be something? It wasn't nothing. That's weird. They started to build something, another tunnel looking thing. That's weird. If that got abandoned and that roof ain't finished, and that mansion doesn't look like anything ever happens at it. It's definitely maintained though. That is insane. Look at this place. I got money. Got money. You know it. Take it out your pocket and show it. I am so sorry about that. Who let that man on stage? Get out of here. Where the hell does this slide go? What the man? Where the hell do you come out? Bro, this dude got a, is it a slide? That's a slide, man. That is a slide to a hot tub maybe, but then that thing's got to come out down the mountain, bro. This is crazy as shit. All right, where are we? Let's find out. Gotta be California, right? Texas? Texas, y'all living like this? Which one of y'all cowboy ass ranchers living like, where the in Austin, bro? Bro, is that Joe Rogan's house? Is that fucking Joe Rogan? Oh no, I lost it. Where did it go? Come back, Joe Rogan's house. Dude, I thought he had a beach, dude. He has his own, the Colorado River. I didn't even know. I didn't even know people was balling like this, bro. I didn't know the Colorado was that damn pretty either. But a slide, bro. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna say we probably shouldn't ever go flying a drone over this guy's house because whoever he is probably gonna f this up. But that is rad to see. A water slide to nowhere, bro. Why hasn't this guy ever finished his barn though in his construction? This bothers me. I don't know. Let's see, is that Bobcat ever moved? Alright. Anyway. Moving on. That made me excited, guys. Sorry. That looks freaking definitely still used. Yeah, they're just out. Not gonna waste time with that. Still people there. Hell yeah. There you go. That's if I'm gonna take a wild guess, juvenile detention center. Was formerly, not today. I hope not today. You know, Louisiana, it's where it looked like. Oh yeah, Louisiana, man, they like up and lock people up in pretty bad spots. So it might be. It might be. Let's see when it was done. Okay, 2018. Then and out, 2018, 2019. Holy shit. Oh, that's Lake Charles. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. No wonder they didn't go back. Man. Sorry to you guys. Hope everything is alright for them. Looks like they fixed some of them and it went to shit again. I'll be honest, I ain't got a clue how that happened, man. That the same building got messed up, got a new roof, and then got tore right back off. But it's crazy. Well, anyways, guys, I hope y'all have fun. I think that's all for this one. If y'all liked this format and y'all like learning and watching me actually find the stuff online, hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Otherwise, I don't know what y'all like. So, if you do like it, if you let me know, you know, I'll keep going with stuff like this. If you don't let me know, well, then you might just miss out on some good stuff. Who knows? But anyway, y'all take it easy, man. Be safe. Be respectful. Don't go tearing people's stuff up. Have a great day from CajunDecay, man. Love y'all. Take it easy. CajunDecay.